Turn po tawagin ang isang kapatid. Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Ivan Gutierrez. And how about Kapitana Joyce Ann Gutierrez? Next on the line, we have one of the kamangkin. Palakpakan po natin, Mr. Adrian Gutierrez. Of course, palakpakan po natin, our little debutant, Baby Para Isabel. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question to all of us. Gusto niyo na po bang makita ang beautiful bride? Gusto na po ba? So what are we waiting for? The most awaited and the most spectacular birthday celebration, Ma'am and Sir. I would like to welcome you all, the beautiful, sexy, and gorgeous, no one else, Miss Hannah Ellery Gutierrez, the debutant.
In a perfect storybook, the world is brave and good. A hero takes your hand, a sweet love will follow. But life's a different game, the sorrow and the pain. Only you can change your world tomorrow. Let your smile light up the sky. Keep your spirit
Once again, the beautiful debutant, Miss Hannah Ellery Gutierrez.
your heart. Your soul shines forever in you and me. We are rescues
So ayun, Hana. Sabi ko sa'yo. So ayun, ito. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana hindi ka magbago. Na patuloy ka pa rin sa pagiging energetic mo, gano'n. Tapos huwag mo lang papagurin lagi sarili mo, huwag ka magpupuyat, gano'n. Kasi nagpapagalingan tayo sa pagpupuyat. So ayun lang, medyo lang to. Mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday ulit.
Okay, very well said and thank you so much. And next, Adrian.
Happy birthday, Tita Ana. Pwede ka na mag-asawa.
At yung anak hindi pa, mag-aaral pa. Huwag mo na.
Wish you all the best.
Okay, thank you so much. And of course,
Happy birthday, I love you.
okay, and Ate Joy.
So, ayun. si Hannah nakakaba. Ano lang to, babati lang ako, don't worry. Yun, palagi ko naman, happy birthday. Yun, sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad.